Okay, so it's mid-July. We'll be taking a lot of this growth we don't need, so we're going to be taking it off. Start at the top. Because we want it to grow sideways and not up. Take all the top ones off. Like so. And then take all the front ones off. Don't move those. And as you can see, we're starting to make the shape again that'll follow the fence line. Okay, so I'll move the camera a bit, I hope you can see. Anything that grows at the front we want to take off as well. Branches coming outwards at us, so they'll be going. This one will be gone. Top ones all gone. Chop them off, 2 leaves up. That'll be good to fruit on next year. Getting to take shape. Again, these coming off. 2 leaves up. Decent shape. There you go, you see how tidy that is? This one has fruit on it, so I'll leave it for this year. Dangling down. I'll keep it nice and tidy. And then the fruits that are on it will start to mature and grow a little bit faster. They are pears. The sun will get to them now. Again with this one, you see it's far too long. That's a lot better. Okay, that's how we do that. Okay, so here's a nice example of a overloaded fruit tree. We want to take most of these back, so take this cluster for example, far too many apples. You can either wait for a windy day, see what drops and then do it after that, or start culling it. I'll take about half of these off. If you've got 4 on, take 2 off. Any damaged ones, bruised ones, diseased ones, take off. 2 you're left with, just a few, and they'll fatten up really nicely and you'll get a better crop.